Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of Komodo coin on SatoWallet app. But first we're going to have to visit the SatoWallet website at satowallet.com right here. And there are three versions of the app. There is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and there is the PC version. But we're going to use the PC version because they kind of have the same interface, all of them. And I've already downloaded the PC version, and all you need to do is just get an email address and sign in. So here's the PC version. Okay, this is the amount I have right now in my wallet, and this is another layer of security. Google Authenticator is to make sure your funds are very secure on cold storage. And these are the list of coins on the app available on the app. So right now we're going to use Komodo coin. Okay, so let's look for, okay, Komodo is right here, and there is an easy way to actually find the coin. There is a search bar right here at the top. Okay, you can just search Komodo. Okay, you see Komodo is here. So this is the detail, my Komodo detail. Okay, this is the my Komodo balance, and this is the equivalent of this Komodo balance in USD. So if you want to send a Komodo coin to a friend, you just click send right here and type in the address. This is just an example. This is not exactly an address. Okay, type in the amount. Say 34, and okay, 34 is equivalent to 36.4 USD. Okay, if you want to reduce the amount, you can just click here, and if you want to add, you can click here. And this is the fee deducted, and it also shows in dollar as well. You can add a transactions comment. Okay, like say hey. Okay, and then click transfer, and your transfer will begin. And this is the receiving part. If you want to receive a coin from a friend, then the person sending you the coin will actually have to scan this barcode right here, or make use of this my address to send you the coin. Well, this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So we're gonna jump to swap coins. Okay, from currency to currency and amount to swap. Okay, from currency is the currency you are swapping the coin from. Okay, this is a choose coin. It's a long list of coins you can swap from. Okay, so now we're gonna look for Komodo. Yeah, Komodo is right here. Then okay, then to currency, you can actually choose any coin to swap to. This is just an example. Let's choose black coin. Okay, okay, amount to swap, let's say 34. Okay, amount exceeds your balance. That's because this amount exceeds my Komodo balance, so we have to, that's why this button right here is not showing up, so we have to reduce the amount. Okay, yeah, okay, you see this text has disappeared and this is actually enabled. So if one Komodo is 1.0 USD, and it's also equivalent to 12.9 black coin, and this is the fee deducted. So this is coin swap. So let's check exchange. Okay, this is the market. Okay, these are the list of coins you can exchange with. Okay, so Komodo is JM. Okay, Komodo BTC to Komodo. Wow. Okay, this is the list of trade between BTC and Komodo on SatoWallet. Wow, this is a long list of trade just for today, because this list refreshes every 24 hours. I mean, the trade is huge. Wow. Okay, let's see how we can buy and sell. Okay, if you want to buy, you use this buying part, and this is the selling part. And okay, if you want to buy, you just type in the Komodo amount. Okay, say 67, and it's also showing in dollar here. Okay, you don't need to calculate anything, just check the dollar value right here. Okay, the BTC price, okay, dollar, and the Komodo here, BTC. Okay, if you want to buy, you click buy, sell, you click sell. Okay, clicking on either one of this is gonna make you an order. So you can just go back to my order, go to my order if you want to check your order, and your order will show up right here. So if you don't want to go on with your order, you can just click cancel. There'll be a cancel button right here on the order, and your order will be cancelled. So if you want to make another order, you just click trade and go back and make another order, and it will show up right here. Okay, this is the trade history between BTC and Komodo. Okay, these are the types, prices, and amount. Okay, types comprises of buys and sells. Okay, these are the prices. You can see the figures, and amount, you can see the figures too. Okay, let's check currency. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change fiat currency from one currency to another currency. Okay, right now I'm using USD. So here are the currencies. It's a long list, so we're going to choose any one of them, anyone, to see how it works. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, it's going to take some seconds to change. Awesome. Okay, currency has been changed. Let's go back to my coins. Okay, before here it was showing USD, and now it's showing this AFN currency because I changed my fiat currency from USD to this AFN. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it.